Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss and talk about the share price of Kodak or Eastman Kodak company. So the kind of exceptional rise we have seen in a day, which is more than 200 odd percent. So we are going to talk about the chart and the trend, how the trend has shaped up and probable reasons for that. So this is a weekly chart, so you can consider it as a long term trend analysis. Okay, so the kind of so this is the updated news that why it is soaring and because here you can find the answer that fresh capital and new businesses are the reason for this high popping rise. So this is one of the reason, but the way this stock has reacted, you can go through this press release by Barron's, so you can check it out if you want to. So coming back to the chart, the way the chart has reacted, probably you can see uh, if I take it from trend to trend basis. So in a span of 133 odd days, it has soared up by 2294 odd percent. So it's an exceptional rise. So it has been rising, but the kind of rise it has seen in the past, you can say 2 or 3 days, from 2 rupees, you can see here. So from 2 rupees to 39, I mean $2 to 39 odd dollars, it's a percentage of 1700 odd. So it's an exceptional rise. But what has changed in this chart is this. So if I just made a line like this, okay, what will happen is you can just check it out, the trend on a line chart. See, let me just zoom this chart a bit. So if I use a line chart, you can see on point to point basis. So let me zoom, you can see. So there is a breakout. There is a breakout. If I use the line chart, you can see there is a breakout. So let me just okay. So here it is. There is a breakout, and even if I use the candlestick chart, so the trend is somewhere like here 37. So let me just put the price. So this is the big resistance and this is the second big resistance, and I think the price has already crossed both of them. So this price rise is not only change the trend, because here if you see this is a downtrend. So the chart is available since 2014. So this is a downtrend and this is a bear market trend. There is no denial about that. But the way price has changed, and not only changed, it has changed the entire trend. Now what will happen is a big rise will come up. So right now what I'm talking about is completely technical, and because it has already given you a breakout, so it will go upside. Now how much upside is the question. So for that, what we can do here is just flip the chart. Okay, what we can do here will be just flipping the chart. So anyhow, our first resistance would be this one, because there is a breakout but the price has moved to 56 57 odd dollars, and it has again retraced back to 38 39. Right now it is trending at 42 odd dollars. So 57 would be our first price. Once it crosses 57, so what we can probably do, we will go step by step. So this is another prominent level which you will find. So what we will do here is we will find the distance from this to this. So it is around 189%. So if I add that to this level, so what we will get here is this. Okay, so these are the two probable levels which one can see if the trend exists above 37 38 odd dollars. So the first target would be at around 57, and once it crossed, the next target would be at around 84. So this breakout is big, it is completely trend changing, and it has changed the entire trend. So these kind of breakouts definitely have, because on a weekly basis it's a big bar which has completely covered the 5 6 years of downtrend. So there will be a follow up, and there will be a big trend which is waiting in the days, or probably in the weeks or in the months to come. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, do like and share your thoughts in the comment section, and do subscribe my channel for this kind of content. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.